as of now we have created one subject which was mathematics 1, and we have created one teacher. So what we will do is we will just assign one subject to a teacher, so that that teacher can upload the data in this particular subject, you can say, so that all this data will be visible in our application. So for that purpose we are supposed to go here like manage teachers, and then here we can see assign subject to a teacher. So after clicking this particular thing like assign a subject to a teacher, so for now like these things are assigned for just for demo. So we'll just click on this particular button which is create Flipgrid subject teacher. After clicking on that button we'll be navigated to this particular window. So here it is asking me for the mapping name, so we'll just give one mapping name here, just like you can say like M1 to a particular teacher. So we had two teachers there, so I'll just give this M1 to RK, which will be like Rahul Kumar, you can say. So it will be like this will be just a mapping name which will be visible to institute only, that we have mapped this particular subject to someone. You can just name it anything, you can say. Then we are supposed to choose one subject, like whatever the subjects you have created in the subject window, you can see that particular subjects here. So like after choosing the teacher we will just choose one subject, like this thing will just like these two fields are important for you, like this will work in the backend. This is just for you to just get displayed like which things are assigned to which one. So and the mapping description you can just give anything. So for now I'm just giving the same thing like M1 to RK, and then I'll just click on save. So what this thing will do, this will assign the mathematics 1 to a particular teacher named Rahul Kumar. So after clicking on the save button, this thing will be saved just like this. So here all the information is just there, and this particular teacher can just handle all the database related to mathematics 1 in the school department.